What's up, everybody? Down in Burleson, Texas today at the Harley demo event. I'm gonna do a 2018 or 2019 Harley Fat Bob S. Milwaukee 114 engine, Milwaukee 8 114 engine. This 114 is a beast, man. Don't ride cruisers that much, so I'm getting back used to these forward controls, man. It is a nice change of pace, though. Okay, the bike feels surprisingly light, guys. Lighter, a lot lighter than what I thought it'd feel like. Okay, so let's see initial impressions. I already like the engine. Super rumbly. You can feel the torque. The bike feels lighter than what it appears. I like the seating position. It's pretty relaxed. Brakes feel pretty strong, front and rear. The shifter is pretty tactile, like it just bangs into gear. Yeah, I've ridden Harleys before, so I'm still not super familiar with them, but I was seeking out something that's similar to the bikes I counter ride with a shorter wheelbase. So I saw the Fat Bob S and I'm like, man, that kind of looks familiar. It feels familiar also. Shorter wheelbase, pretty upright seating position. It doesn't feel too far off from most naked bikes on the market today. Except the weight, obviously. The freaking whole bike rumbles when you rev it, man. And I wonder what this bike would feel like if you had mid controls on instead of the forward. Bike is ultra smooth on the highway. Minimal vibration in the pegs, minimal vibration in the handlebars. Dude, I like the seating position a little bit more now. Like, you got forward controls, but I'm kind of forced to push my upper body forward. Or, you know, like I'm on my naked bike, or well, I can't say sport bike. Like I'm on a standard bike, I'm kind of leaned forward ever so slightly. Clutch pull is surprisingly light. Okay, that's something that, I mean, I know it's trademark Harley with the you know, with the vibrations from the big V twin, obviously, but at idle, as you can see, my arms, my hands, getting a good bit of vibration at idle, which isn't a big deal, but I don't know how fatiguing this could be on a long ride. This bike is super quiet. I mean, stock pipes, obviously, but what I think is the Vance and Hines that Harley-Davidson uses a lot. That'll really wake this bike up a lot. Okay, the left side of this engine on this bike is putting out some serious heat, man. Like, I can feel it through my jeans, obviously, but I can feel it especially through my shoe. Did not expect that. Like, I'm used to the heat because I'm a Monster 821. In the summer months, your right leg is gonna get hot just because the exhaust pipes are right there on the right side, so you get it, but it feels like that just on the left side. Oh, come on, man, we can gun it on these streets back here. Oh yeah. The bike feels very planted in the curves. Even though we're only going 30 miles an hour. So you can feel the torque this 114 make. This never gets over. Harley Fat Bob is nice.